Greetings and welcome to the Inventory Management presentation. We are pleased you have selected our program to make you more acquainted with the importance of understanding inventory effects on an organization at many levels. As a supply chain professional, inventory management may be a part of your function, and if done correctly, it will be an important tool for you. This presentation will give a view of the meaning of inventory management and the role it serves in the supply chain of the organization. Inventory management focuses on the amount of product and its placement within the organization. This product is needed for the manufacturing process in order to fulfill a customer's orders. Sometimes, inventory management happens within the facility where the persons responsible for the task reside. Other times, however, the inventory can be located in various facilities and is managed from a centralized location. This, however, is only successful with good inventory software and vigilant associates updating the system with correct information. The scope of inventory management is managing the details of lead time for replenishment, the cost of carrying inventory, forecasting the need for inventory, ensuring the space to store inventory, handling inventory returns and defective goods, and demand forecasting. Companies keep inventory for various reasons. The main reason, however, is to fulfill a customer's needs in a timely fashion. Lack of proper amounts of inventory equates to challenges for fulfilling orders. For example, not having enough inventories available to fulfill orders will equal a loss of revenues, disgruntled customers, and ultimately a loss of customers. In a manufacturing environment, inventory can be in the form of raw materials, which are materials and/or components used to make a product. Or work in process, WIP, which is a material or components that are in transformation phase but not yet finished product. Or finished goods, which is material or components ready to be sold to the customer. In order to successfully manage inventory, having the right component at the right time in the right amount, the cost of carrying inventory must be balanced with the benefits of inventory. There is a fine line between keeping too much inventory and not having enough, which is always a concern of management, especially finance. Too much inventory affects profits negatively. Not enough inventory prevents the realization of the full potential of profits. Inventory management should focus on how to best achieve the following: maintaining the right assortment of inventory, but not running out of rapidly moving products. Increasing the quantity of inventory turns without it affecting the level of service for maximizing customer service. Keeping stock levels low to prevent high cost of carrying inventory, but not so low that stock is always being depleted. And always having adequate inventory, but not having a large quantity of items when their life cycle is about to end. There are many systems for managing inventory. Perhaps some of the most popular are just-in-time, JIT, Kanban, safety stock, and materials requirement planning, MRP. JIT. Products are available in time to become WIP. The process essentially reduces inventory. This is an advantage of alleviating money tied up in inventory setting and stock, and it allows smaller lots to be ordered. One of the disadvantages to JIT is the misdelivery from a supplier will result in shutting down a production or finding an alternative product to use. The other disadvantage is the inability to quickly adjust to changes in customer demand. Kanban is a physical inventory control method that signals the need to replenish raw materials or produce new components from the previous process. Kanban systems rely heavily on signals from manufacturing floor for replenishment of stock. Safety stock, sometimes called buffer stock. This is a level of extra inventory maintained to prevent stockouts. This is normally used in environments that are fast-paced and where demand is quick to change. Materials requirement planning, MRP. This allows for a shorter delivery and lower inventory levels because sales are loaded into a system including desired delivery date. Then the system communicates the inventory requirements needed and what date is required. The smaller on-hand inventory frees up cash to be utilized in other areas of the organization. Inventory is one of the most visible and tangible parts of doing business. Too much inventory can tie up cash and affect profits. Too little inventory will affect the organization's ability to support the customer's needs. Proper management of inventory helps to create a competitive, customer-satisfied organization. Having the correct processes and tools in place to manage the inventory is crucial to an organization's success. Thank you for your time and attention, and this is BusinessTraining.com, where you can earn a master's level qualification to make more money.